Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Charlotte and I make 2 new videos a week. One of those is my food haul and meal plan every Sunday, and then the other one is normally some cleaning motivation, but there are some mum life posts in there too. So this week I am going to be sharing how to clean your Shark cordless anti-hair wrap vacuum cleaner. So I've got mine here and it needs emptying, but as you can see, it's really gross. It's needed a clean for a while and I just kept putting it off. But I thought, why not make a video on it? Because sometimes, you know, you want to do it along with someone while you're watching a video rather than looking in the instructions or just trying to figure it out for yourself. So, and also I thought it would be quite satisfying to watch because of how dirty it really is. But anyway, so I've got a cloth, some diluted Zoflora. You don't actually need to use diluted Zoflora. You could use just like washing up liquid and water, just water, anything really. But I like Zoflora because it smells nice. Got a little 2p to open it up. I've got a paintbrush and I've got some scissors, because even though it is anti-hair wrap, I mean, I do lose a lot of hair, to be honest, but look at that. There's a lot of hair in there. But yeah, let's get straight into it and get this vacuum clean. So to clean this part, first you're going to need your coin, and you just turn to the unlocked position on these 3. And then this bit should come off. And it is very dirty in here. It's so overdue. I'm sure yours doesn't look as bad as this. Yeah, quite embarrassing how bad this is. But hey, look at all of that. Oh my gosh. That is awful, isn't it? So I'd normally just give this a wipe over, but I think I'm going to need to take this to the sink to give it a proper clean. Now this bit here has a button, you can see here, that you push up and it just pops out just like that. So one of the bad things about this vacuum is that this does not actually come out. So it's very difficult to clean underneath it, but I'm going to just get everything out that I have hoovered up. And obviously this is meant to be anti-hair wrap, but there are still hairs on there. So I'm going to use some scissors to cut that out. And I'm just going to pull it out. Now I'm going to get my brush out and just start brushing all of the dust and dirt from here. So as you can see, it is really dirty along there and you can't take this bit out. So I've got my cloth, which I am going to spray with diluted Zoflora. And then I'm going to thread it through under here. start to get pulled through as you turn it. And then it is already starting to clean it a little bit. But if I just move it back and forth, and hopefully it will get it nice and clean. So here I've just put some of the cloth up there and I'm just twisting it round to clean inside that hole. Look at that. So gross. So now that is looking so much nicer and cleaner. So now I'm just going to go and clean this part to put back on. Okay, so now I'm going to empty this part. So you just tip it upside down, push this down, and it all comes out. Oh. And just give it a good tap. Get all the bits out. And there, it's empty, but it is very dirty. So I'm going to give that a clean. Also, this filter comes out. You can buy replacements of these. I believe I haven't actually done that with mine yet. And then there is this sponge one, which we need to clean. Yeah, look how dirty that is. So yeah, I need to give all of this a good clean. Okay, so I'm going to leave this here to completely dry before I put it all back together, and it says at least 24 hours, but yeah, I'm going to make sure that it's all completely dry and then put it all back together. Okay, so I've got all the parts here ready, all nice and clean. I did actually leave them for about 2 days, so they were completely dry, and now I'm just going to show you how to put it back together. so much for watching this. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please do let me know in the comments if you did clean your shark along with me or any other vacuum. Yeah, I'd love to hear from you. And please do subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye!